might just tell me a bit about the log cabin. When did you build this?
I built it 3.5 years ago for my daughter Beth. She uses it very part-time for doing makeup and nails. So yeah, 3.5 years ago.
And tell me her business, Beth's Beauty. How's that performing?
Great, yeah, it's makeup by Beth. She would do, some weeks she wouldn't have anybody in there. Some weeks she could be working maybe 10 hours a week. It's very part-time, but she's thriving because of having it here. She's tried working in salons. They were too noisy, too busy, too unpredictable. So having her own space has been absolutely fab for her.
Yeah, yeah. You've obviously here today to speak about the fact that there was a bit of a planning row
Yeah.
in the area. You've had two attempts to retain this log cabin.
Yeah.
Are you planning to go for a third?
Yeah, we are. We're going to try and address the issues that were raised. I'm looking for an expert planner at the moment to advise me and help me on how we can address those issues and go for retention to try and keep it here for Beth. We had originally, when the issue came up with the neighbours, tried to sell it unsuccessfully, and then with the council giving you a certain amount of time, I had no choice but to go for that retention, and so that's kind of gone on from there. I hope that it can continue here, yeah. If not, I don't know, she won't be working. Yeah, I'm hoping that we can get some advice that to sort out kind of what the Bord Pleanála and what Wicklow have highlighted, because there is a business in a front garden in Greystones which is also the same zoning as us. It's residential, and they got their planning the first time round, and the points that they made about their structure were the same points they made about our structure. They got it and we didn't. So I'm trying to address the points that they're kind of saying about the look of it and things, see if we can do that in a way that they will be happy with and that will kind of meet the regulations. But I'm going to need some expert advice on it.
This does kind of go to the heart of Ireland's planning issues. You mentioned that there is a precedent. How frustrating is it trying to navigate Ireland's planning system?
It's very frustrating. I've learned a lot in the last 3 years. I had an architect do the first retention, but that's really costly. I did the second one myself, and I did the appeal myself. So I have learned a lot, but there's a lot to learn about it. And I've been in touch with a local politician and kind of said about appealing. We were refused, saying it would set undesirable precedent, but saying that the precedent already exists. And the council came back to him saying, well, everything's looked at on its own merit. So then is precedent actually a thing? How could I be refused on that? So yeah, I've learned a lot about planning, and it's difficult enough to navigate.